Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's the NFP week, and I am more excited than usual because we just started the earnings season, and this is very important, especially when we talk about the US indices, respectively speaking, about the US dollar. On Friday last week, we've seen an epic recovery of S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, it used to reflect on the US dollar on a negative way. So when the indices are going up, usually we see the dollar dropping down. But in these cases, you can see on the chart in front of you, the Euro US dollar is still holding the lows, even though we could have seen a very strong push to the upside. But the traders are most probably waiting for the NFP on Friday. Earnings season, guys, it's gonna be interesting. US dollar is still holding the high, so let's take a look what's going on the calendar. Very important, China is on holiday until the end of the week, and this could pull back a bit the volatility on the markets, but uh, considering the NFP on Friday, I don't think we are going to see slow markets. Today we got absolutely nothing on the calendar. Tuesday, tomorrow, we have retail sales and interest rate in Australia. 3:30 in the morning. Let's see what the Australian dollar is gonna do. But most probably, Bank of Australia is going to keep the same interest rates. Composite services PMI in UK 30 AM GMT, not very volatile event. ISM non-manufacturing PMI 2 p.m. for US dollar. This could be interesting and relatively volatile. ECB President Lagarde on Tuesday, the last event on for Tuesday, 3 p.m. GMT. After that, we got Wednesday interest rate decision in Wednesday from Bank of New Zealand. Very interesting. The forecast, by the way, is to see 0.25 interest rate hikes, 0.25%. From 0.25 to 0.5. Let's see if the actual data is going to meet this forecast, but that's gonna be interesting and definitely volatile for the New Zealand dollar. ADP NFP in advance report about the non-farm employment change, 12:15, quarter after 12 for US dollar on Wednesday. And crude oil inventories, we're going to take a look in about a minute. 2:30 p.m. GMT. Thursday, October 7th, ECB monetary policy meeting, 11:30 in the morning. This is not going to be super volatile event. The initial jobless claims 12:30 for US, average event. And Friday, definitely Friday is in focus. NFP and unemployment rate. Quick reminder, as I'm reminding to you guys on every video of mine, right now the unemployment rate specifically is being followed by the Federal Reserve. They're waiting to see low unemployment rate, low CPI inflation data in order to take a step towards their interest rates to start increasing the interest rates. But for now, this is not going to happen, and most probably that's why we're going to see the US dollar continue declining. Let's take a look what's going on the charts. Euro US dollar in front of us, exactly what we just talked about. US dollar is still holding high levels, and right now the euro, that's why the euro is holding about 1.16. Important level. It's a big round number and also acting as a very strong support. Unfortunately, we have nothing much only here, but on the near future here we have nothing much. A very good support level, 1.16, 12, 16, whatever. And from here we can see definitely the euro bouncing up, very crucial level. GBP US, kind of similar, even though this is what I've been expecting to see on the Euro US dollar as well. Just the GBP followed 140 pips, 140, 150 pips from the bottom. Very good recovery for a couple of days, and I'm expecting to see that even continuing going up. Australian US, very similar like the New Zealand dollar, pushing up just 90 pips from the bottom about this recovery. Nothing much is happening. We have resistance here, so Australian dollar could be a good buying opportunity, but rather than this, GBP looks more, how to say, interesting and potential. New Zealand US, bouncing back from the support 0.69, not changing any support resistance lines, guys. That could be a good bounce for the New Zealand dollar, considering the interest rate on Wednesday. We just said that we've been expecting the Bank of New Zealand to increase the interest rate from 0.25 to zero point 0.5, and this could create a lot of good opportunities on the New Zealand in the upcoming days. USD Canadian, I'm going directly to crude oil because this is super important. Crude is holding the levels near the resistance level around 76 dollars per barrel. As you can see here, is slowing down this big push to the upside, continuation, and a slight decline to 73.17. Breaking out of this level could simply send the crude oil even further down to $70 per barrel. I'm remaining bearish. Many people are a little bit surprised that I am bearish on the crude oil, but I'm just looking to hunt for good short opportunities considering the low demand for crude. So we have crude oil inventories on Wednesday. Very important event for crude oil in general, and crude could be very good opportunity. USD Canadian getting back here, so you can see absolutely clear trading opportunity. USD Canadian, we talked about it so many times, drop to the downside super easy from the resistance, bounce to the upside. I got a lot of questions, but I was absolutely confident in this short and quick recovery for 2-3-4 days, bam, and eventual continuation to the downside. USD CAD, guys, was very simple trade. USD Swiss on the other side, we're waiting to see how the price is going to react around the support. Yes, I'm remaining bearish on the USD Swiss. I'm gonna watch this level 0.9333. I'm gonna even move this support to a new resistance. So slight bounce to the upside, drop to the downside is absolutely possible. USD Swiss could be very good short opportunity, exactly like the USD Canadian a couple of days ago. USD Japan, yes. Super absolutely crazy. USD Japanese false breakout, like the false breakout of the support, false breakout of the resistance, very big drop, very quick one, sharp 120 pips, slight correction to the upside, continuation to the downside, something like this. It's absolutely possible. So USD Japan also could be very good opportunity. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Share us and like us on the social medias. I appreciate it. Of course, this is how you support our YouTube channel, and good luck. Bye bye.